Hello everyone. Now today we will solve the exercise number 1.1, which is totally related to what we have studied in the previous classes. So those students who still not watched those videos, then go to the WhatsApp group and scroll down the messages and download the videos and watch those videos. And if in any of the videos, in any doubt, please ask me through a message or a call. I am directly solve your doubts, or I am try to clear all your doubts. So today we will solve the exercise number 1.1, and this is the book of class 7 Innovative Mathematics, and the exercise 1.1, and the chapter is integers. So first question is related to additive inverse. Additive inverse. Please open your book and note down the questions. Firstly, look on the board, look on the video and watch how I solve those problems, then write down on your copy. Okay, so first problem is related to additive inverse. First question is 52. Additive inverse of 52. What is inverse? In the previous class I have said that inverse is just opposite of the number which is given in the question. So the here is 52 and the sign of 52 is what? Plus 52. So additive inverse of 52 is minus of 52. Okay. Just change the sign of the given number, that value is your additive inverse. Second one is minus 86. Second one is minus 86. So additive inverse of minus 86 is here. The sign is minus. So inverse of minus is what? Positive. So additive inverse of minus 86 is plus 86. Okay. And the last one is second one is minus 86. Third and fourth one is homework. And the last one, fifth, is minus 23. So again, same process. Here is the sign is minus 23. So inverse of minus is what? Plus. So plus 23 is the additive inverse of minus 23. Okay, this is the first problem. Note down on your copy. Now the second number question. Question number second. Find the value of, here I want to introduce one sign, which is this. This sign is called mod. Okay, remember this sign is mod. So अगर हम इसको कहें कि mod वो गंगा है जिसमें नहाने पे सारे पाप धुल जाते हैं. Okay, mod is like a गंगा river जहां पर नहाने से सारे पाप धुल जाते हैं. That means in this bracket, whatever the value, like minus 36, is always, when this minus 36 comes out from these two boxes, it become plus 36. So whatever be the value in this given box, the value is always positive. 36, so value is plus 36. Minus 1, so value is 1. Minus 23, so value is 23. So this is known as mod, and in the mod box, whatever the value, when it comes out from this mod, the value is always positive. Okay, so next question is related to this sign. First question is mod of -5 -8, -5 -8. So in addition of integer, what I have told to you, whenever the two integer, either both two integers are positive or both two integers are negative, what we did, we simply add these two values. So 8 plus 5 is 13, and here is the sign is minus, so simply we put the sign here. So the value of -8 -5 is what? -13, and this is within the box or within the mod. So when this value comes out from this box, the final result is what? 13. The final result what we get? 13. This mod, when any value, either it is negative or it is positive, when it comes out from this box, it is always in the form of positive value. Okay. So here the answer is 13. Look once again. Mod of what we say, mod of -5 -8. First step is what? Simply add these two values. 8 plus 5 is 13, and here both are minus sign, and minus minus what? Plus. So minus minus plus is 8 plus 5 is 13, and what here, what is the value? 13. What is the sign before 13? Is minus, because both the value is minus. So here it is minus 13, and minus 13 is where? Within the box. When any of the value in the box, when it comes out from the mod, when it comes out from the box, it is always positive. Okay. Next question is second one. -10 plus 10. -10 plus 10. So here -10 plus 10. What we do? This is minus, this is plus. Both the sign are different. So in case of different sign, we simply what? We simply subtract those two values. So subtract these two values. This is -10 and this is 10. So -10 and 10 is what? 0. Mod of 0. Mod of 0 or within the box. 0 is where? Within the box. So when this 0 out from this box, it is simply a 0, because 0 is nothing. Okay, so the answer is 0. Please write down all these questions on your notebook and try to solve by own way. Okay, now third question is 5 minus 9. So here this is 5 and this is 9, and here it is a subtraction, 5 minus 9. So simply subtract these two values. 5 minus 9 is 4. Now what I said to you in the previous class, here this is plus and this is minus. Which is greater? 9 is greater, and before 9 what is the sign? Minus. So here we put a minus sign before the answer. This is -4, and where this -4? Within the box or within the mod. So any of the value, when it comes out from this mod, it becomes positive. So answer is 4. Okay. Now the next one is fourth one. Fourth one is mod of 0 minus of 9. So how we solve this? Firstly, we try to swipe out this value from this box. Okay, so mod of 0, 0 is nothing, so simply we write this mod of 0 is 0. Here what is the sign? Minus. And now this is minus 9 within the box. Whenever the value is in the box, it comes out from the box, it is always in the form of positive. So minus 9 is what? 9. So here 0 minus 9. 0 minus 9. What is the difference of 9 minus 0 is 9. And sign is what? Here minus. And 9 is greater than 0. So before 9, what is the sign? Minus. So the value is minus 9. And this is your answer. So whenever the mod of a number is separate. Okay. So firstly, try to those number to out of the box to, and then try to solve those number. Okay. So last one is fifth one. Minus 4 mod of minus 4 plus mod of 19. Mod of minus 4 plus mod of 19. So what is the process? Firstly, we try to wipe out this mod. So when the number comes out from this box, so minus becomes plus. This is plus 4. Okay, this minus 4 becomes plus 4. Plus, now this is 19. It is 19 plus 19. So when it comes out from the box, it remains in plus 19. So here it is plus, here it is plus. Simply we add these two values. So 19 plus 4 is 23. So this is 23. And the sign is, this is also plus, this is also plus. So here we simply put plus. So answer is 23. Okay. This is the second one. Please write down this on your notebook quick. Now come to the next question, which is third, fill in the blanks. Okay. Now first question is minus 72 plus fill in the blanks is equals to minus 72. Just try to remember what we have done in the previous class. Additive properties. Remember? I remember additive properties. From those properties, one of the property is additive identity. Additive identity. What is additive identity? What is additive identity? I told you that whenever you get a question, something like 5, what is the additive identity of 5 is, so you simply put a 0 and then solve that problem. Here, this is minus 72 plus blanks is equals to minus 72. So something number like 5 plus 0. 0 is additive identity. So 5 plus 0 is 5. So whenever we add additive identity to any number, we get the same value as an answer. Okay. So यहाँ पर this is the minus 72 and after final equal to, we get a final answer also minus 72. So here what we write here in the blanks, which is 0, because something is added with 0 is always the same number. Okay, so minus 72 plus 0 is equals to minus 72. Now come to the next question. Here, minus 27 plus 15 plus minus 55. Just try to remember the last property, which is associative property. According to associative property is what? If A, B, C are an integer, then make a group of two numbers, A plus B, making a group of AB plus C is always equal to, by changing the group, so A plus B plus C. This is the associative property. So compare this property with this question. Here A is equals to what? Minus 27. B is equals to 15. C is equals to minus 55. So if we change the group, so what we get? B is 15, C is what? Minus 55, and A is what? Minus 27. So here this is A plus B plus C. This is A plus B plus C. So what is C? What is the value of C? This is minus 55. This is what property? According to which property? Associative property. Okay. Are you getting my point? This is associative property, according to associative property. Now come to the third question, which is 53 plus minus of 45 is equal to minus of 45 plus what? If we compare this with commutative property. What is commutative property? Commutative property, if we change the order of a number, like 5 plus 4 is 9, then also 4 plus 5 is also 9. So here this is, if we take this value as A and this value as B, so A plus B is equal to B plus A, according to which property? Commutative property. Okay. So here 53 plus of minus 45. If we change the order of these two numbers, then minus 45 comes in first place and 53 comes in at the second place. So here the answer is 53. So minus 45 plus 53. This is 53 plus minus 45. According to which property? Commutative property. So this one is related to additive identity. This one is related with the associative property, and this one is related with the commutative property. And the question number 4 is your homework. Okay. So sincerely done your homework properly. So this is end of the third number question. Now come to the fourth question. Write down on your notebook quick.